Good morning. Everything looks so colorful and fresh today.
Good morning. Thank you. I picked these vegetables very early this morning.
My name is Mia. I want to buy some things for a big dinner.
Nice to meet you, Mia. I am Tom, and this is my family stall.
How much are these big red tomatoes? They look very juicy.
They are $3 for 1 kilogram. They are very sweet.
I will take 2 kilograms of tomatoes, please. I am making a salad.
Great choice. Do you need any cucumbers or onions for your salad?
Yes, I need 3 green cucumbers and 1 large white onion.
Here are the cucumbers. They are very crunchy and fresh.
Do you grow all these vegetables on your own farm, Tom?
Yes, our farm is just 20 kilometers from the city.
That is wonderful. I like to support local farmers.
We appreciate that. Local food is better for the planet and for you.
What are those purple vegetables next to the carrots?
Those are eggplants. They are delicious when you grill them with oil.
I think I will try 2 eggplants today. I want to cook something new.
Eggplants are very healthy. They have a lot of vitamins.
These carrots have a very strange shape.
Yes, organic carrots are not always perfect, but they taste amazing.
I don't mind the shape. I care about the natural taste.
Then you will love these. I give you a small one to try now.
Oh, it is very sweet. It tastes like candy.
That is because we don't use any chemicals on our farm.
I will take a bunch of carrots too. My brother loves them.
Your bag is getting heavy. Let's put the vegetables in a box for now.
Thank you, Tom. You are very helpful and organized.
I want my customers to be happy. Do you need any fruit?
Yes, I want to see your apples and maybe some honey.
The fruit is on the other side of the table. Let's look. These are our summer apples. We have red ones and green ones.
I prefer the red apples. Are they soft or hard?
They are very hard and crisp. They are perfect for a snack.
How many apples are in 1 kilogram? I need about 6.
Usually 5 or 6 apples make 1 kilogram. Let's check the scale.
It says 1 kilogram exactly. That is perfect.
I will put them in a paper bag for you. Paper is better than plastic.
I agree. I always bring my own cloth bag to the market.
That is very good, Mia. We must protect the environment together.
Do you have any pears today? My mother loves pears.
I am sorry, but the pears are not ready yet. Maybe next week.
No problem. I will buy some yellow lemons instead.
These lemons are from my uncle's garden. They have a lot of juice.
I need 4 lemons for my tea and for the salad.
Here are 4 beautiful lemons. They smell very fresh.
Wow, the smell is very strong and nice.
Natural fruit always has a better smell than supermarket fruit.
I can see that. Everything here is so bright and clean.
We work very hard every day to bring the best food here.
What time do you start your day on the farm?
I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. It is very quiet then.
4 o'clock? That is very early. I am still sleeping then.
It is difficult, but I love seeing the sunrise over the fields.
That sounds very beautiful and peaceful. I like the nature.
You should visit our farm one day. We have many animals too.
Really? Do you have cows or sheep on your farm?
We have 10 cows, some chickens, and many bees for honey.
Oh, I want to see the honey now. Where is it?
The honey is right here, in these glass jars.
I see different colors. Why is one jar dark and one light?
The color depends on the flowers. Light honey is from spring flowers.
And what about the dark honey? It looks like caramel.
The dark honey is from the forest. It has a very strong taste.
Can I taste the light honey? I like sweet things.
Of course. Use this small wooden stick to take a little bit.
It is delicious. It is like a flower in my mouth.
I am glad you like it. My bees are very busy and happy.
How much is 1 small jar of this spring honey?
1 jar is $6. It lasts for a very long time.
I will take 1 jar. It is good for my breakfast toast.
Do you eat honey with butter or with cheese?
I like honey with white cheese. It is a very good combination.
You are a real foodie, Mia. You know good flavors.
I love to cook and try new things in the kitchen.
Do you live near this market? I see you have a big bag.
I live 10 minutes away. I always walk here on Saturdays.
Walking is good exercise, and you get fresh air.
Yes, it is my favorite part of the weekend. No cars, just flowers.
I will put a label on your honey jar. It has the date.
Thank you. Is this honey 100% natural?
Yes, there's no sugar and no water inside, just pure honey.
My grandmother says honey is the best medicine for a cold.
Your grandmother is right. It is very good for the throat.
I will give some to her when I visit her tomorrow.
That is a very kind gift. She will be very happy.
So, I have tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, apples, lemons, and honey.
You have almost everything for a perfect dinner.
I just need some fresh bread. Do you have bread here?
My friend Peter has a bakery stall right behind me.
Oh, I can smell the bread. It smells like a dream.
Peter's bread is the best in the city. He uses a stone oven.
These loaves are very big and brown.
This one is a sourdough bread. It is very healthy for the stomach.
I like bread with seeds on top. Do you see any?
Yes, this one has sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds.
That is the one I want. Can you ask Peter for it?
Peter is busy with another customer. I can take it for you.
Thank you, Tom. How much is the bread?
The bread is $4. It is still warm from the oven.
Yes, it is warm. I want to eat it now.
Don't eat it all before you get home, Mia.
I will try to wait, but it is very difficult.
A warm piece of bread with honey is the best snack.
You are right. I will have that when I get home.
Do you need anything else today? Maybe some fresh herbs?
Oh yes, I need some green parsley and some basil.
I have some pots of basil here. You can grow it in your kitchen.
That is a great idea. I don't have to buy it every week.
Just give it a little water every day and lots of sunlight.
I have a very sunny window. My basil will be happy there.
And here is a bunch of fresh parsley for your salad.
How much for the basil pot and the parsley?
The parsley is free today because you bought so many things.
Really? That is so nice of you. Thank you very much.
You are a good customer, Mia. I like people who love food.
The basil pot is $3, right?
Yes, $3 for the pot. It is a very strong plant.
I will be very careful with it.
Now your bag is full of colors and smells.
I feel very rich with all this fresh food.
Okay, let's calculate the total price for everything.
I have my wallet ready. I have cash and a card.
Cash is better for the market, if that is okay for you.
Yes, I have some small bills. Let's see.
Tomatoes are 6, cucumbers are 3, and the onion is 1.
That is $10 for the first vegetables.
Then the eggplants are 4, and the carrots are 3.
That is $17 now. I am counting.
The apples are 3, the lemons are 2, and the honey is 6.
17 plus 11. That is $28.
And the bread is 4, and the basil pot is 3.
So 28 plus 7, the total is $35.
Exactly $35. You are very good at math.
Here is $40. You can keep the change.
No, Mia. I cannot take $5 as a tip.
Please take it. The parsley was free and you helped me a lot.
That is very kind, but I prefer to give you something extra instead.
What do you mean? What else do you have?
Here is a small box of fresh strawberries.
Oh, they are so red and beautiful. Are they sweet?
They are like sugar. They are the first strawberries of the season.
Thank you, Tom. I love strawberries. They're my favorite fruit.
Then it is a perfect gift for a perfect customer.
I will eat them with some yogurt for dessert tonight.
That sounds like a very healthy and tasty dinner.
I am very happy I came to your stall today.
I am happy too. It is nice to talk to you, Mia.
I will come back next Saturday for more honey.
I will be here. I will save some pears for you if they are ready.
That would be great. I hope they are ready soon. Wow, my bag is very heavy now.
Let me help you carry it to the edge of the market.
Oh no, it is okay. I am strong and I don't live far.
Are you sure? It is at least 5 kilograms of food.
I am sure. It is my weekend exercise, remember?
Okay, I remember. You are a very strong girl.
The sun is getting quite hot now. Is your shift finished soon?
I stay here until 2 o'clock. Then I go back to the farm.
Do you have to work on the farm in the afternoon too?
Yes, I need to feed the cows and check the water for the plants.
A farmer's work never finishes, I think.
That is true, but it is a happy life. I like the fresh air.
I think I want a small garden in the future too.
Start with your basil pot. It is a good first step.
I will. I will name my basil plant Tom because you gave it to me.
That is funny. I hope the plant Tom grows very big.
I will send you a photo of the dinner tonight.
Do you have my phone number? I don't think so.
Oh, you are right. Can I have your number, please?
Yes, it is 555-0123. My name is on the honey jar too.
Got it. I will send the photo at 8 o'clock.
I am looking forward to seeing your Italian salad.
And the bread and honey dessert. Don't forget that.
I won't forget. Have a wonderful day, Mia.
You too, Tom. Good luck with the rest of the market.
Thank you. See you next Saturday.
Goodbye. See you next week.
Goodbye, Mia. Safe walk home.